on some of the points of this function, I mean the products we are showing over here. And you will also get hold the source code with this project, so you can then practice yourself. But for now we just need to go to the functions page again, functions.php, and here we have given two links. One is the details.php. If someone clicks this link, the links we have added already or here with each product, you can see all of the links. So if someone clicks any of the details link with that product, so the person should be redirected to another page which will be details.php, but we need to pass a value to that page so we can display the appropriate product with details. So for that purpose we will create a URL variable which is always created with the question mark. You need to insert the question mark, and after that whatever you write, that is called either URL variable or get variable. So we'll create here something like pro underscore id that will be equal to basically pro id variable, which we have already got from the table. Here you can see in the local variable, this id is directly coming from the table using the MySql ifh array. So, and actually we are running a while loop over here, so whatever id will be clicked, that specific id will be taken to another page, I mean details.php. So we have created this pro underscore id local URL variable, and when in another page we'll get the details for this specific product. And the same thing we will do with the add to cart pro id, and that will be equal to question mark pro underscore id, that will be equal to pro underscore id. So with this, I mean the button, add to cart button, so if someone clicks add to cart, so we will add or insert that product into cart. That's so simple. Now I have saved it by using Ctrl S. We'll refresh the page. Now you can observe, if I mouse over this product, you can see here in this area at the corner, you can see this is saying details.php question mark pro underscore id is equal to 1. That means this is the first product that we inserted, so it has an id 1, and this one is having id number 6, this is id number 5, sorry, this is id number 2, this is id number 5, and this is id number 6, id number 4. You can observe over here. So all the products have their own specific IDs which are coming from this table, and you can see these are the product IDs. So we can take the IDs as a reference to get the specific product details from the table and can show the another page which is basically details.php. So that's so simple, and same we can do for this. You can click or mouse over here, add to cart, there will be the same IDs, product ID 1, product ID 2, and product pro ID is equal to 5, because we have used the same syntax. So now we can create inside the index.php page, we can create something like inside the box, no sorry, outside the box, a products box, because the products box is a specific area. Inside this content area we can create one more div tag and div division tag close, and inside this we can use something. For example, I was saying in previous video that we can insert something here, I mean shopping cart bar to see the shopping data from the user if they have added something. So very simply we will go to this style.css file, and we will create another ID called shopping underscore cart, and we will say width should be 800 pixel and height should be something like 50 pixel, and background will be absolutely black, and that's it. Control S to save. Go back to index.php and add this inside the div tag shopping underscore cart. Control S to save. Refresh the page, and you can see this is the shopping bar, or here we can add some more styles. For example, color will be white, and float will be no, there is no need to float for this. Control S to save. Now we can simply add a span tag over here, span close, and inside the span tag we'll write something like welcome guest, and this whole span tag will have a style float right, and we can we can add some more things. I mean, welcome guest, we have written welcome guest, so you can check out this is welcome guest. The text welcome guest. But if we want this to be displayed in the center or here or something like that, we can also do so very simply by adding some styles. For example, font size 18 pixel, padding 5 pixel, and line height will be 40 pixel. Control S to save. Now come over here, refresh the page, and you will see this is here. So welcome guest is a text, and we can write something more like shopping cart. For this shopping cart we can use another style. For example, style b is equal to color yellow, and b will be closed. Inside the b tag we have given some other style. Refresh it, you can see shopping cart, and we can also add a link over here, wrap cart.php. we will say go to cart. Control S to save, refresh the page, and you see here as a link go to cart. But before the go to cart link, we can add something over here as well. After this shopping cart b tag, we can say total items And we can also say total price. Control S to save and refresh. So this is welcome guest, shopping cart, total items, how many are total items, and we have a link as well here. Go to cart, and for everybody, every guest, there will be written welcome guest, and we can change this to anytime to the person email who is logged in into our website. And the go to cart link you can see over here, we can change that color very simply just by adding a style to the link. Simply make the color as yellow. Control S to save and refresh it, so you can see this is now like this. Also here we can add some padding or margin, so we can make it absolutely accurate from this side and this side too. There's all products. For that we will simply go to style.css and we'll say okay 30 pixel as the margin left. You can see now this is accurate. So we have added this welcome guest and some text like shopping cart, total items. Total items will be here, which is now not necessary, but we will add it here. So if someone clicks add to cart, so there will be the item and the price as well, and they can go to cart as well also. And we will add one more link, login, in a later chapter of this whole project. So stay tuned till next tutorials to work on the cart. No, sorry, first we have to create the details page, and after that we will work on the cart, so people can add products to cart and can see the items and price etc. Stay tuned.